Do I know you?
No, I'm Detective.
How do you know me?
I'm Detective McCarthy.
How do you know me? I didn't ask you that. I don't need to. What's your name and badge number?
Detective McCarthy.
What's your badge number?
1125.
1125. What's your name and badge number?
Detective Ingebretson, Hartford PD.
Say that again.
Detective Ingebretson, Hartford PD, badge number 605.
Okay.
You won't believe what just happened at my doorstep. 2 cops showed up out of nowhere to give me a warning for an activity that is completely legal and protected under the First Amendment. Is this law enforcement or outright intimidation? Watch until the end to see the full tense encounter and leave your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the police actions were right or wrong?
Fuck you doing at my door?
Well, I just want to talk to you about your contact at West.
I don't care what you want to talk to me. Look, what do you have nothing to talk to me about?
Sir, I'm not here for a confrontation.
I am a productive member of society. I am a citizen of the United States of America. You guys have no reason to unlawfully be at this doorstep right now.
Okay.
Did I commit a crime?
I'm not.
Did I commit a crime?
I'm here.
Hold on. Answer my question, please. You are at my doorstep asking me questions, right? Can you answer a couple questions first? Before you get into your questioning me, I am a citizen here. You will not violate any rights today, sir.
Absolutely.
You will not come to my house and question me like you have authority. You will answer questions if you would like the respect of getting answered questions.
Okay.
Sorry, this is how I operate. So, was I suspected of committing a crime?
Possibly.
Oh, possibly.
Okay.
So you have reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime?
You could have been violating.
It could have, should have, shoulda, coulda, woulda, possibly, maybe on a rainy day.
Welcome to come to the West Bend Police Department.
I'm welcome to stay inside my home as well.
That is fine. When you go to a parking lot and start looking into vehicles,
That is a First Amendment protected lawful activity. It is publicly accessible, open to the public.
I am here to give you a warning for prowling.
Prowling?
That if you're looking into vehicles could be construed as prowling, okay?
No. You just said you're giving me a warning for prowling?
Yep, I'm giving you a warning.
What's your name again?
I'm explaining you the ordinance, okay?
I'm
explaining the ordinance. I don't want to see you get a ticket.
How do I file a complaint on this?
Okay? Go talk to my supervisor.
No, well, you should have a complaint form, shouldn't you?
Okay, no, I don't need a complaint form. Talk to my
So,
supervisor and file a complaint.
so to make a complaint about you, I have to talk to your supervisor? Because you guys aren't crooked all the same, huh?
Talk to the chief of police then, okay? All right? I'm here to give you a warning for prowling and explain the ordinance to you. When you're looking into vehicles, all right?
Anything my eyes can see, I can film. It's a First Amendment protected activity, and that was a publicly accessible parking lot. You have no reason to be on my doorstep trying to give me no warning for prowling. I'm glad. Where are you from? And you're from where?
West Bend.
I'm glad you guys came together, because guess what? I will be back.
Okay?
I will be back to see you guys' department again.
Okay.
Thank you so very much. Man, you guys will make my channel so amazing. You will see yourselves on the internet.
Okay.
You will see yourselves.
Thanks for your time. I'm just
Blah, 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 la, la, la. Don't eat yellow snow. Don't walk in the middle of the street, guys.
Have a good day.
Try not to violate any rights today or kill nobody, okay? Try not to violate any rights today, guys, okay? Clowns come to the property to accuse me of prowling and try to give me a warning for prowling, showed up at my doorstep for engaging in a lawful First Amendment protected activity. This is how crooked the cops are, guys. How the fuck they even know who I was? I don't care.
A man is pulled over and his car is searched just for having medical marijuana. But things quickly escalate when an unclear warrant and suspicions of other drugs come into play. Did he actually commit a crime? Or is this an overreach of police power? Watch until the end to see the full encounter and leave your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the police acted within the law or overstepped their authority?
No camera search. We have. Hold on. There's no reason to.
I'm only gonna search
No.
the vicinity of you. I'm not gonna make you get the baby out in the cold and all that other stuff. We'll search your vicinity.
For what? What are you searching for?
Drugs, knives, guns.
Wait, hold on, sir. We have marijuana. And that's it.
You do have marijuana?
Yes, that's all we have. We have our cards.
You have your cards?
We sure do.
Okay, well that still gives me PC to search you either way.
ticket from just last night. Right here. And the officer checked our everything.
It's okay. If y'all are legal and you ain't got nothing going on, then what's the worry?
I just get tired of cops.
I get it.
We obviously have medical marijuana. We have
Yeah,
a
it
marijuana
looks that
card.
way.
Yes, sir.
So that leads me to believe, though, that I'm gonna find something other than medical marijuana. Is there anything else in here?
Like, what the? No, like, I don't have anything. We have,
Because I can see where, you know,
we don't do drugs. Dude, I'm 230 fucking pounds.
come on. This guy just went to jail.
I don't do-
This guy just went to
He
jail.
went to jail for weed.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he
I
did.
can see it. No, he didn't.
Yes, he did. We've been sober for 3 years. We haven't touched a single drop of methamphetamine or anything.
Well, he's got a warrant.
He's got a warrant over something that's not a jailable offense. We were just pulled over last night.
It was in fact a jailable offense.
No, we were just pulled over last night. Sir.
Possession of methamphetamine is a jailable offense.
Sir, there was never where, when.
Go ahead.
There was no possession of methamphetamine ever. What are you talking about?
Tim.
No, I want a supervisor. I want to speak to my husband.
Across these two videos, we can clearly see the tension between citizens and the police when individual rights are challenged. In the first video, cops unexpectedly show up at someone's home over an activity fully protected under the First Amendment. In the second video, a person is pulled over and searched for having medical marijuana, but things quickly escalate due to unclear drug suspicions and a vague warrant. Both situations highlight issues of overreach, excessive control, and the clash between civil rights and state authority. Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the police acted within the law, or did they overstep their authority? If you found these videos informative, like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. And don't miss upcoming videos on civil rights and controversial legal encounters.